Ideas are what sets humans apart. They're all around us, even in nature, the great provider of raw materials. At Nicos, that's where we draw our inspiration, selecting the best materials Mother Nature has to offer, and using the latest technology to breathe life into the things we use every day. We believe producing the best bathroom and sanitary ware products means using the most eco-friendly practices possible. That commitment has made us the greenest in our field. We use the greenest possible sources of energy. We don't just recycle plastic, we reuse it. And we consume the smallest amount possible. Our output is just as gentle on the environment, thanks to our ecological, 100% recyclable products. We keep things safe for use, thanks to our virucidal materials. Our solid surface is bound by a unique bio-based plant resin formula, and our cast marble is produced using a green recycled PET resin. To us, a wash basin is more than a wash basin. A shower tray is more too. At Nicos International, premium products that keep life clean are a chance to show the planet we care.